I used to sit up late when he was fast asleep because there was so much sadness in his face when he slept. I couldn't really bear it. And I would pray to God and say, please give him a career. Yeah. Raju mein original palat tha. And he didn't take a rupee for that. I didn't force him because we don't have that kind of a relationship. Had he said, take money, I would have been happier. Okay, I'm going to make him a star, therefore he will give me. I never asked him for anything when I had cancer. Bags of money were being brought. Get Shah Rukh to say, yes, this is a briefcase full of notes. Karan Johar called me in the middle of the night and said, my father's dying. Mahesh Bhatt has agreed that he will do our next film at Dharma Productions free of charge. But get Shah Rukh. Now, I know that Shah Rukh didn't want to work with Bhatt. SRK Universe Bombay, SRK Universe Turkey, SRK Universe Morocco, SRK Universe UK, SRK Universe Wales. I think there are 60, 70 SRK universes across the world. Yeah.
I want to ask you about Bads of Bollywood
Yeah.
and Aryan Khan, you know, उनका direction का.
The only thing that I felt was
Radio Nasha.
जब वो आपके घर में रहते थे तब आपने बता तो दिया कि उनको चिकन बहुत पसंद था, ये था, लेकिन होता है ना घर में कोई मेहमान थोड़ा वक्त से ज्यादा रह जाता है तो थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है, तो एक एनोइंग हैबिट कोई थी उनकी जो आपको थोड़ा सा शाहरुख ये मत करो?
कुछ नहीं, he put out my mother.
अच्छा.
He was my mother's favorite, he was my father's favorite. मुझे खाना मिले नहीं मिले, शाहरुख को तो खाना मिलता था. So there were no, of course there was a lot of annoying habits for my mother because continuously smoking. So except for my room, smoking was forbidden in the house.
Okay.
So we used to go down, there was a bench. Rohini knows about it. She did a whole interview with me sitting on that one bench.
Yeah, I've
in
seen
my
that,
building.
yeah.
Shah Rukh and me used to go down, we used to smoke downstairs. But he was charming, he was courteous, he was well behaved. It was for me a very difficult time because when a man has lost his mother, he's lost his father, his sister is living in Bangalore, he's living in my house. Even if I had wanted to fight, I was always scared that he will take the shit from me because he is grateful to me because he's living in my house. That was not acceptable to me. We should be able to fight if we need to fight as two friends, not because I've done you any favors or not done you any favors.
Wow.
So I was handling him with kid gloves. I used to sit up late when he was fast asleep because there was so much sadness in his face when he slept. I couldn't really bear it. And I would pray to God and say, please give him a career, yaar. Tum career isko de do, bhai. And God gave him a career, house, children, wife,
सुपरस्टारडम,
everything.
मेरा दोस्त हो तो ऐसा हो और बेस्ट हो. बट ये भी सच है कि आप ही ने उन्हें एक बड़े कैंप में इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था, एंड दैट इज YRF, यशराज फिल्म्स में.
He was shooting for Chamatkar on Juhu Beach. And you know the old Yashraj office used to be very close by. And apparently they wanted him. Adi Chopra used to come to the set of Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman.
अच्छा.
I didn't know him, but he had got his father to call Aziz. Aziz's father, Akhtar Mirza, had written Waqt for Yash Chopra. So Aziz and Yashji were very close. So Shah Rukh, to see Shah Rukh shoot, both Karan Johar and Aditya Chopra together, they used to come, they used to sit on the set. I showed them some of my rushes. They were completely delighted with the film. So I think when there was a controversy with Amir,
Fadar.
and they wanted to shoot immediately, I think Shah Rukh was the option that Aditya put forward in front of Yashji. And Yashji said, bring him. So he was shooting for Chamatkar, we went, and Shah Rukh met Yashji and Aditya. And that's started a very big bond of friendship which lasts until today.
Yeah.
Even with Rakesh Roshan, when he signed a 3-film contract, he honored it. He did Karan Arjun, he did Koila, he did King Uncle. He did all 3 films in his contract. He went beyond the contract and did a guest appearance in Crazy 4. So he and Hrithik are very close friends. So I think Shah Rukh has kept most of his goodwill with all the people he has worked with in the industry. But I know he was closest to Tom Uncle, Yash Johar. But I can't say too much about that because all of us were very fond of Yash Chopra.
Of course.
He was one of the rare true gentlemen in the film industry. I loved him to bits. The last time I met him was in New York. He was shooting for Kal Ho Na Ho. And my elder brother Ashok Vaswani, he had a man Friday. Mahesh used to look after Ashok and his wife.
अच्छा.
And from prawn pulao to washing to laundry, he found out that Shah Rukh is shooting in New York. And I happened to be in New York. He said, Vivek भैया आए हैं, अब शाहरुख से नहीं मिलाएगा तो खाना कल से बंद.
Okay.
So he found out they were shooting in Wall Street. I went there, and the moment Shah Rukh saw me, he got all the bodyguards apart, hugged me. I said, Shah Rukh, Mahesh. He said, wait and see. He hugged Mahesh. He took photos with Mahesh.
Wow.
He gave Mahesh such a champion's treatment that Mahesh is still on a high even today. And that's when I met Yash Johar. I was sitting with him and he said, give me a cigarette. I gave him.
ये सिगरेट्स का कनेक्शन आपका सब जगह रहा है.
And he told me, he said, I have cancer. I don't have too long. I said, how are you smoking? He said, yeah, I'm sharing one cigarette with you as a friend. But I have not too long to live. So that was the last time. And next time I met Shah Rukh was at Yashji's funeral. And that's life. But he was very fond of Yash Johar, very fond of Yash Chopra, very fond of Rakesh Roshan also.
ऑफ कोर्स ये सब ने तो जो बनाया शाहरुख खान को, एक साइड एक्शन ड्रामा कर रहे, रोमांस कर रहे, बिग मूवीज कर रहे, दैट्स द रीजन आजकल जो नहीं हो पा रहा है
Correct.
कि वो इन्होंने वहां किया था. बट वो जो सिग्नेचर पोज शाहरुख का जो है, दैट टिपिकल वन, इसको लेके भी कई लोग कहते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स डीडीएलजे में पहली बार हुआ था. शाहरुख ने एक मजाक में ट्वीट भी किया था कि भाई छोटा सा एक पोज उन्होंने दीवाना में भी किया था. इससे रिलेटेड कुछ आपके पास
कुछ नहीं.
नहीं
राजू में नहीं.
नहीं, राजू में नहीं था.
बट राजू में ओरिजिनल पलट था.
हम्म.
लास्ट वाले सीन में जब शाहरुख जा रहा है and Juhi is doing her famous Juhi
Yeah.
thing and Nana comes on his cycle.
ये अभी मुड़ के
Sister,
देखेगा. हाँ.
and he says देख अगर वो पलटेगा तो वापस नहीं जाएगा. And then he says पलट. No, Juhi says पलट.
हाँ.
Then half the बस्तीवाला से पलट. नीरज वोला says पलट. Everybody says पलट. Finally only Nana says पलट and Shahrukh turns. And everyone goes, yay. And the camera moves up and the end credits come. And my name is there in the end credits in the direction team also.
Oh, okay.
The original पलट is with me.
हम्म.
The original ये वाला जो एक gesture है,
हाँ.
I think I had never seen him doing it before. I think he did it unintentionally. It just caught on and it became into a signature pose. I think so.
Okay.
But the charm was always there. No?
या. यस. लेकिन जब वो मन्नत में ले लिया उन्होंने, आपके घर में रहे थे, जो पहली बार आपको बुलाया मन्नत में, आई वांट टू नो कि वो कैसा था किस्सा.
नहीं,
आप फर्स्ट टाइम मन्नत कब
नहीं.
गए?
एक बार मन्नत गया था तो आस्क हिम टू वर्क इन दूल्हा मिल गया.
ओके.
और दूसरी बार मन्नत में गया था फॉर हिज
पार्टी.
पार्टी.
बट वो पहली बार,
हाँ, that's it.
हाउ वाज दैट?
Well, I went from the back to the office to sit with Karuna
ओके.
on his दूल्हा मिल गया dates, and I went back from the back. And then for the party, I went in from the front. I saw the house. Shah Rukh took me around the whole house. He showed it to me. So twice I've been to Mannat. I've never been a third time.
तो वहाँ पे उसी पार्टी में बहुत तारीफ की थी आपकी उन्होंने, आई थिंक
तारीफ तो नहीं,
आनंद
I
एल
think-
राय से.
Anand, yeah, we were sitting at the end. There was Ramesh Taurani, Anand El Rai was there, Balki Saab was there. And he actually looked at all the guests around and he told Anand Rai, I think in 2 weeks, Zero was releasing.
हम्म.
He said, all these people around owe me something.
सबने मेरे से कुछ लिया है.
सबने मेरे से कुछ लिया है. अरे वाह, you know. But this man hasn't even asked me for a cup of tea. He could ask me, I could give him. But, you know, Divya, with what face do I ask somebody for anything? I never thought he'd be a star. I mean, I
वो
hope.
आपका तो दोस्त था, वो दोस्त
था,
है.
दोस्त तो नहीं कि I am going to make him a star, therefore he
जी.
will give me.
हम्म.
Never. Never. I never asked him for anything when I had cancer. Dula Mil Gaya was a bad chapter because we were cheated. There was fraud at work. There were partners who cheated me. And there was a combination of me, my father dying, Mudassar's father died, Fardeen's father died. When Shah Rukh gave dates, 26/11 happened. When he gave dates again, he had an accident and he had to have surgery.
शक्ति वाला.
Yeah. So keeping all these things in mind, there were so many bad chapters in Dulha Mil Gaya that you can't blame any one person. It was circumstance. You know, one thing happens, you can blame somebody. Two things
जब आपके
happen.
टाइटल सॉन्ग सुपर हिट हो गया था.
Super hit हो गया था. गाने तो Lalit had given me a great score. And Sushmita did a brilliant job in that film.
Yeah, she was very good.
You know, she has openly said that it's the finest role that she's done. But apart from that, and he didn't take a rupee for that. I didn't force him because we don't have that kind of a relationship. Had he said take money, I would have been happier. Because then it would have become a professional assignment. I would have finished the film faster. I would have had a letter. I would have been able to show it to distributors. I would have been able to sell the film. But everyone says, दोस्ती है, पता नहीं कल ये निभाएगा, नहीं निभाएगा, shooting करेगा, नहीं करेगा. So but I would never ask him. Because once Shah Rukh says, I'll do your film, I had faith that he would do the film. I didn't realize that both of us had to be businessmen and sign a contract. There should have been money, even if it was a token, which I could have then shown distributors and sold the film. But now it's all done. And Dulha Mil Gaya has led to a lot of lessons. It has led to me being able to cope with life stronger. It led to me being able to face cancer. It led to me able to make Rough Book. It led to me becoming an educationalist. It led to a lot of good things that happened in my life. So no regrets. And I will never go back to Shah Rukh because Shah Rukh has always said, if you lose money on my films, then come to me, I will give it back. I will die before I do that. My film, my risk, my responsibility. If it's a failure, it's my failure. Any film that I'm associated with, if it's a success, I will take the credit. If it's a failure, I will take full.
बट बिल्लू जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, लोग, मुझे याद है लोगों ने ये कहा था कि दिस इज यू नो कहीं ना कहीं, दो ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज कृष्ण सुदामा,
It was Krishna Sudama.
बट लोगों ने जो कहा था कि
विवेक
विवेक
and
वासवानी एंड शाहरुख खान.
I don't think so. Well, yeah, it was Superstar and Irfan did a marvelous job.
Fabulous.
He was outstanding. But then he was outstanding in every single thing that he did. And I don't know, maybe the subconscious was there. So, God bless.
बट विवेक, जैसे आपने कहा, किस्सा बताया कि वो जगह पे जहाँ पे थे वहाँ सब लोग बैठे हुए थे एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू ब्रेन वॉश शाहरुख के, क्यों इतनी फिल्में कर रहे. आपके पास भी लोग आते होंगे कि भाई हमसे करवा दो, शाहरुख से एक फिल्म करवा दो या मिलवा दो, ये करा दो, वो करा दो.
Bags of money were being brought.
हाँ.
Get Shah Rukh to say, yes, this is a briefcase full of notes. All the money that I sacrificed on Patthar Ke Phool, which never came back because after Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, CP Saab died.
जी.
So there was nobody willing to take the responsibility of doing the hisab on Raju and giving me a profit. And I didn't want to ask them. The only person I was very close to in that house, in that company, was Sheena Sippy, who's a wonderful person, a gem of a person. But she was then Sheena Sippy Kapoor. She was Kunal's wife. She was Shashi Kapoor's daughter-in-law. So going to her was not something I would ever do. But there's an end of that. So I could have made up 10 times the money by just taking everyone's briefcases.
And making just meet him.
And making just meet. There are people who make a profession of that.
Yeah.
They tell the actor, picture तो नहीं बनेगी. आप
मिल लो
5 लाख
खाली.
मांगो,
हाँ.
मैं लाख रुपए लूंगा, आप 4 रुपए लगाओ, we'll all make money. But then it's cinema, no Divya. If there is so much love and respect in me for cinema, then I will never. And there are people who diss me for everything. Why are you? Today, all I need to do, being Vivek Vaswani, is to set up a proposal with any director.
जी.
Go to a studio and tell them you choose the star.
नहीं, आपका सिनेमा सेंस नॉन हिंदी सिनेमा भी नहीं, इंटरनेशनली इज फैबुलस. कभी भी किसी को नहीं ऐसे कि दोस्ती यारी में मिला दिया, चलो बहुत सिर खा रहा था, चलो शाहरुख यार एक बार मिल लो.
Karan Johar called me in the middle of the night and said, my father's dying. No, my father not dying. That was much before. But he said, my father will die. There are lots of deaths. Gumrah has flopped.
The
Dunya has flopped. Muqaddar Ka Faisla has flopped.
Disaster. Huh?
And the biggest blow was Agnipanth.
Yeah.
Flopped. And Mahesh Bhatt has agreed that he will do our next film at Dharma Productions free of charge. But get Shah Rukh. Now, I know that Shah Rukh didn't want to work with Bhatt Sahab. There were two people, there were fights on the phone. One was a man called Vatsi Khan, who was Feroz Khan's associate director. He called me Shah Rukh's secretary on the phone. अरे तू कौन है शाहरुख से नहीं बात करवाने वाला, तू तो सिर्फ secretary, some shit he said. Now, It's my house. I'm talking on the phone courteously. This man is being rude. No, Shah Rukh unfortunately heard him.
Oh
He
God.
picked up the phone. He gave him the kind of bad words from Delhi that I had never heard. And he said, if this guy calls up again, I will go and beat him up. So,
That full dar wala avatar.
ditto with Bhatt Sahab. With great respect, he said, Bhatt Sahab, your kind of cinema, my kind of cinema don't match. Yahan pe, there was a situation where Bhatt Sahab was willing to work free for Dharma, provided they got Shah Rukh. So, Karan Johar called me in the middle of the night. I said, okay, I'll ask him. Shah Rukh was shooting at Mehboob Studios. My production manager, Anwar, Nai Dishaएं, Gavahi, Kiss by Kiss, I had given Anwar to Shah Rukh to handle his work.
Okay.
So, I mean, I was Anwar's boss. So when I walked in, I know Ramesh Sippy was sitting there for dates for Zamana Divana, 2-3 other people. Praveen Nischal was sitting there for
English Babu Desi.
I whisked myself straight in. क्या जिंदगी क्या चाहिए मैंने कहा फेवर मांग दिया तू फेवर मांगेगा हाँ मैंने कहा एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोड्यूसर है यश जौहर आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वर शूटिंग तू मेरे साथ साथ आसमान से आगे कल they had a Gumraj set they had to put on bird cage in the middle of Nair farm. They had started doing it even though my shift was not complete. I complained. Mr. Yash Jauhar came all the way in his car at 2 in the morning to tell his people his shift gets over at 5. You will not come into this bungalow until 5 o'clock. He threw them out. No other producer would have done that. So I've come to ask you to do his film. He said, done. I said, Mahesh Bhatt is director. I'm not doing it. I said, he's a good man. And I told him the situation. I said, he's willing to work free. Something. So Duplicate was born. But Duplicate was born in such a way, Bhatt Sahab was hardly on the set.
Phone pe.
It was Karan and Shah Rukh making the film. Just like Raju was, Shah Rukh and me making the film.
Ji.
So Shah Rukh does take an active interest in every film he does. But that was when he told Yash Jauhar, your son is ready to direct. So that's how Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was born.
Of course.
And of course, Dharma stood back on its firm glory with the next 5 films. Karan Johar did his father proud.
Yeah.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
My name is Khan.
So he had the winning combination and he understood. In my opinion, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai will always remain in my top 5 favorite screenplays. It was near perfect. It was one of those flawless. Hero, heroine, tomboy girl. Heroine dies, tomboy girl becomes heroine. Best friend, Dan. It was a flawless screenplay. In my opinion.
Ji.
And Karan had a great sense of music.
True.
So that was a winning combination. Good old Aditya Chopra and Shah Rukh was a winning combination. And I just saw a new picture that I've kept of the whole of Maratha Mandir lit up with Dilwale Dulhania 1,000 weeks.
Yeah.
Now there are 52 weeks in a year and there are 1,000 weeks of film has run at the same cinema. Then you bow down.
Of course. But एक recently आपने एक tweet किया था जवान के लिए. And शाहरुख ने जो बहुत प्यारा जवाब दिया था.
I don't remember. What did I say?
You wished him for a national award.
Oh, national award,
Ji.
huh? Yeah, I remember. And Shah Rukh replied and he said, finally, after 33 years, Raju finally ban gaya gentleman.
Something, but it's so sweet, and it all began with you. Something
It all
like that.
began with Raju actually.
Yeah.
Good days.
Of course.
Better days ahead.
जी बट फैन क्लब से बात करें तो दे लव यू अ लॉट हर साल के लिए एवरी ईयर मैं कितने लोगों को मिलता भी
But
हूँ वो
it's a very
सब
big thing. Shah Rukh Khan, SRK Universe Bombay, SRK Universe Turkey, SRK Universe Morocco, SRK Universe UK, SRK Universe Wales. I think there are 60, 70 SRK Universes across the world. Yeah, it's a
and all are good big numbers.
very big numbers.
Yeah.
Now the only thing that is left is to say, you're 60 years young. That means there's another 60 years to go. And I personally think that there's another 100 films in the boy. I can't call him a boy.
Yes.
See, the moment we become old, we die. So Shah Rukh and me are 2 little spring chickens who are young,
Yeah.
who are continuously working. I've survived my cancer.
Yes, that's what.
He has survived every bone breaking in his body. I have survived flops and hits. He has survived flops and hits. I have turned to education and become the dean of a school. I'm working with 12,000 kids. He has branched out into things like building a studio, building a special effects division, building a cricket team. He's a filmmaker, I'm a filmmaker.
And a producer now?
Producer,
Big time?
absolutely.
Yeah.
So I think life has been working on parallel tracks. And I'm so glad that you gave me the opportunity of speaking like this instead of asking me who has a better smile, Shah Rukh or Aamir. The kind of questions they call up and they ask, who made all these people journalists? Or phone pe phone karte.
But I want to ask you about Bads of Bollywood.
Yeah.
And Aryan Khan, you
Yeah.
know, उनका direction का. आपके सामने ही बच्चा था वो. Again, you've seen the family, you've been there. But as someone who loves cinema, when you saw the show, क्या reaction था आपका?
I have no comment to make on how well Aryan has directed it, or the size of the show, or the fact that it is something that has given Netflix a huge boost in the arm, unlike Archie's. But the only thing that I felt was that when Shah Rukh came in the industry, the amount of love, respect that Aziz and Nirmala gave him, that me and my mother gave him, that Saeed Mirza gave him, all of them gave him so much love, so much affection. When did he come to the conclusion that Bollywood is a gutter and everyone is bad people? He is the one person who was treated with kid gloves as a rank outsider. Not once did he struggle from the road. He was living in Cuff Parade. And then after he got married and he couldn't stay in my house, Aziz gave him a house to stay in.
जी, Bandra में.
Bandra mein, Devdutt.
Yeah.
Harun treated him like a brother, Aziz's son. Rahila treated him like a brother, Aziz's daughter. I treated him like a brother. I gave everything I could for him. Everyone treated him so well, so warm, without having a single release. So for me, and maybe I'm the only one in this whole country who may have felt like this. But I am also the only one in the country whose house he lived in for 2 years.
वो भी है. तो हक बनता है.
So hak banta hai to say, why did you think that we were a bad industry? Why did you personally think that everyone was bad? So I can understand you showing whatever you showed, but why was there not one redeeming character in the show who said, no, this may all be bad, but there are some good, decent human beings who will do good. And he is living proof of that. So I only felt that when I saw it. I binge watched it. I enjoyed watching the show. I thought the cameos were fabulous. I thought Imran was absolutely superb. I am very pleasantly surprised with the kind of performance that Bobby has given.
Yeah.
And I have worked with Bobby in his hit films.
Soldier.
And Barsat.
Yeah.
So all Bobby's hits I have acted in. In fact, Ramesh Taurani said, you are a lucky mascot. You make sure that you put Vivek into Soldier. He told Abbas Mustan. You know, and I worked on a lot of newcomers, not just Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
I acted in Saif's launch film, Ashik Awara. I acted in Shahid's launch film, Ishq Vishk. So I just thought, did I do something wrong? Am I to blame? Did I say something wrong or hurt him enough for him to think that Bollywood is such a bad, such a evil place? I don't think so. So that was a thought that I had, that when a boy has been given VIP service by the industry, being a non-Nepo kid, being a newcomer from Delhi, everyone has given you work, everyone has given you respect, whether it was Rakesh Roshan, Hema Malini, Dharmendra, Rajiv Mehra, Eagle Films, they've given you other films. You've not let them down. You've also worked very hard. But why such a, I mean, it's my industry. You know, if India is my Janam Bhumi, then Bollywood is my Karam Bhumi.
Of course.
But then it is Shah Rukh's Karam Bhumi as well. So to diss your Karam Bhumi, I thought was a little bit sad for me. That was the only thing. And everyone has loved the show.
जी
Nobody will agree with my point of view. Shah Rukh will not agree with my point of view. Nobody will agree with my point of view, but you've asked me for the truth. And I felt a little sad. So that I'm telling you.
ये तो सवाल तो बहुत सारे लेकिन वक्त का तकाजा है तो एक अगर वापस वो दो दोस्त मिलते हैं यू नो एक शाम मरीन लाइंस पे तो क्या किस तरह से इस बार भी अगेन आप किस तरह से ट्रीट करो
Exactly as we were.
कैसे पहले क्या खिलाने लेके जाओगे
Huh? Nothing. I've given up smoking, unfortunately.
ओके
So he will have a cigarette. Maybe he's also given up. I'm not too sure. And then we'll take up where we left off. We'll be talking figures. We'll talking box office.
फिल्म देखने जाएंगे
Film देखने जाएंगे.
लीगल में अब
Regal, Excelsior.
हम्म
Excelsior has been very good for him. Badshah was an Excelsior.
जी.
Bazigar was an Excelsior. Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge was 50 weeks. at
yes in
Excelsior.
Excelsior with 150 rupees ticket in
For
that
50
time
at that time. And yeah, it'll be the same. And I wish Aryan and Suhana all the luck because now it's not Aryan. Aryan has proved himself.
जी
Aryan has given a mega hit.
हम्म
Now it's up to Suhana to deliver with King. But with the man who's behind them, I don't think there'll be any problem.
क्या बात है थैंक यू विवेक थैंक
My
यू फॉर
pleasure.
बीइंग विद अस एंड
My
थैंक यू अगेन फॉर गिविंग अस शाहरुख खान
Thank you.
Radio Nasha.